Hello and welcome. I am Mr. Balni Digambar from Sant Tukaram National Model School. Today, in this video, we will learn about adjectives. First, let us see what is meant by adjectives, and after that, we will see kinds of adjective. So see, first, adjective means an adjective is a word used to describe noun or pronoun. Means it is used or a word which qualifies noun or pronoun, that is called as an adjective. For an example, his car is new. Here in this sentence, this new, it tells us about more about the noun his car. So in this sentence, now new, this tells us about car is new. So it's an adjective. It qualifies the noun. Again, see, adjective tells us about kind, quality, quantity. So on the basis of that, we have categorized an adjective into different kinds. Let us see what are these kinds. Adjectives are also used to compare the things, person, places, animals. Adjectives are also used to make a comparison between animals, places, things, etc. Now let us see about the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives may be divided into the following kinds. There are 6 kinds of adjective. First, qualitative adjective, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, distributive adjectives, and last one, interrogative adjectives. Now, let us see one by one thoroughly these kinds. First one, adjective of quality or qualitative adjectives. Or the adjective that indicates the quality of the noun or pronoun are called adjective of quality. For an example, she is a beautiful girl. In this sentence, this beautiful tells us about her quality. That's why it's a adjective of quality. Second one, adjective of quantity. Adjective, these adjectives are measuring words that modify noun. It measures the noun. For an example, some, such, enough, these are the adjective of quality, quantity. For an example, let us use it in sentence. I have had enough food today. I have had enough food today. So in this sentence, enough is the adjective of quantity. Next to that, see, adjective of number. Now, these adjectives tells us about how many people or things being talked about in the sentence. For an example, 5, several, 7. There are 7 members in my family. How many members are there? 7 members are there in my family. Or 5, several, 7. So these adjectives tells us about how many people or number are being talked about. So that is adjective of number. Now demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. This, that, these, those are the demonstrative adjectives. Next to that, see, interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used along with the nouns to ask the question. To ask the question, we use WH words, and these WH words are interrogative adjectives. For example, which, whose, what, whose hat is this? See, whose hat is this? So in this sentence, this whose is used along with the noun to ask the question. That's why it's an interrogative adjective. Now, possessive adjective, which tells us possession of the noun For an example, his books are on the table. Whose books? His books. Next one, let us see. These are the types of adjectives. I hope all of you understood the chapter about adjective and its kinds. If you like this video, please reply. Thank you very much.